Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss class 7 mathematics chapter decimals, and we are going to study its unit 2, which is subtraction of decimal numbers. Let's begin with the learning outcomes of this unit. At the end of this unit you will be able to recall the subtraction of decimal numbers. In the previous classes, you must have done the sums of subtraction of decimal numbers. So today we are going to just revise or recall the method of subtracting decimal numbers. Now we are going to start with the rules for subtracting decimal numbers. What are the rules for subtracting decimal numbers? Let's check. Write down the numbers one below the other with the decimal points lined up. Put zeros in the missing digit places. Then subtract using column subtraction. Remember to put the decimal point in the answer. Now we are going to start our question number 1. Here we have to subtract 97.65 and 26.31. We'll copy the decimal numbers below their place values, 97.65, and we copy the second number below the first number with the decimal point lined up, 26.31. Now after this we will subtract them. 5 minus 1, 4, 6 minus 3, 3. We'll copy the decimal point below the decimal point. 7 minus 6, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. Question number 2. In this question we have to subtract 76.79 and 5.23. So, we'll copy the decimal numbers below their place values, 76.79 and 5.23. Now here you can see that the number at the tens place is missing, so we will put 0 here. After this we will subtract them. 9 minus 3 is 6, 7 minus 2 5. We will copy the decimal point below the decimal point. 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 0 7. So we get 71.56 after subtracting 5.23 from 76.79. Now question number 3. Here we have to subtract 978.456 and 56.13. So we'll copy them below their place values or according to their place values, 978.456, and copy the second number below the first number, 56.13. Now digits are missing at the thousands place and hundreds place, so we will put the 0 over here. After this we will subtract them. 6 minus 0 6, 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 1 3. We will copy the decimal point below the decimal point. 8 minus 6 2, 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 0 9. So the answer is 922.326. Another question, question number 4. In question number 4, we have to subtract 476.945 and 49.67. We'll copy the decimal numbers below their place values, 476.945, and copy the second number below the first one, 49.67. In the missing number places we will put 0 and then subtract them. 5 minus 0 5. We cannot subtract 7 from 4, so we'll borrow 1 from 9. 9 will become 8 and 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 7 equals to 7. After this we will subtract 8 and 6. 6 from 8. So 8 minus 6, 2. We'll copy the decimal point below the decimal point. Again, we cannot subtract 9 from 6. 6 is a smaller digit and 9 is a bigger digit. So we have to borrow 1 from the 7 or from the tens place. So 7 will become 6 and 6 will become 16 after borrowing. So 16 minus 9, 7. 6 minus 4, 2. And 4 minus 0, 4. So we have gotten 427.275. Now it's the practice time. Can you subtract the given decimal numbers? Number 1, you have to subtract 53.6 and 12.4. Number 2, you have to subtract 793.46 and 526.2. So good luck and thank you.